Welcome back to this YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to analyze the entire Nifty index, Bank Nifty, mid cap, small cap, and the various other sectors. We are today not only going to talk about the weekly analysis, but also we are going to talk about monthly analysis as well. So let's dive in. So let's start with Nifty. We are at the daily chart of Nifty, and as you can observe, we are still not able to pass 22,500, which is the most important resistance right now, and the head and shoulders pattern, which I have already shared on the Nifty correlation with VIX, is still intact. Okay, if you want to see that video for Nifty and VIX correlation, I will share you the link on the description. But for now, we will concentrate on our Nifty daily chart. So on daily chart, head and shoulders pattern remain intact. Okay, so until we don't get close about 22,500, the chances of being consolidated between 22,000 and 22,500 will remain as is. Okay, let's check the weekly chart. On weekly chart as well, we are yet to create an impact above, I would say, somewhere around at least 22,500. This is the same level. Even weekly chart predict that it needs to be crossed. Okay, moreover, on the higher side, 22,630 is also a level of resistance which needs to be crossed by Nifty. And if we check the monthly chart, okay, since we are at the very near of the month end, we can see monthly chart is showing a dozy kind of pattern. Okay, but since this candle is not yet formed, we still have a few of the trading days left. So we will reanalyze this in the very next weekly video, and then we'll take a call on the very long term positions, like for 1 or 2 years from here. Okay, so as of now, I'm not going to discuss more on monthly chart on the Nifty itself, but yeah, weekly remains intact. Okay, and on a daily chart, we still have a caution note of not closing about 22,500. If we does, and if we sustain, then surely we are going to start our rally for new all-time highs, and probably this time on 23,000 or 20,500. So yeah, this is all about Nifty. Let's go for Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty also we have the same story. We have a channel. Okay, and we are trading within the channel. We had support, I would say, which was previously a resistance a week before. If you have not gone through my previous weekly video, then you can go and check. I will mention the link on the description itself. So we are just at the support of 48,200. Okay, on again more higher side, we have a resistance of 48,660. So here it is. Okay, slightly below. So here is the 650. Here is the resistance, and the all-time high is of 49,000, somewhere around. Yes. So basically, until we don't breach 48,650 here, we have a higher chances of being consolidating in between the range of 47,350 to 48,650. Okay, so this 300 point of consolidation is not 300 point exactly, it is somewhere around more than 300 points, probably 600 points of consolidation, even more than that. So we have a wide range of consolidation. Okay, pending in Bank Nifty. So basically what happening here is, if we fail to sustain above 48,650 by next week, then we are going to go down somewhere around 47,350. Okay, so this is coming, and this is quite normal. We don't have to worry about there are few of the uh, I mean sources which are saying that crash is coming, big fall is coming, and whatever nonsense people are making. Just please do not get trapped into it. There is nothing so called trap. There's nothing so called noise basically. And as of now, as you can see, it's just that indexes are supporting its support and resistance is just obeying that. Okay, so yeah, for Bank Nifty chart looks stronger, no issues. On weekly chart as well, let me have a look. So more or less the same story again. On weekly chart we still need to cross 48,650 to make an impact. Okay, and that has been proven resistance, I would say. So on the week of 25th of December, we had this high of somewhere around 40,650. So again, that is going to be repeated, and that is quite normal. Okay, no reversal pattern is yet observed onto Bank Nifty itself. And on the monthly chart, I don't think so. We are in the position to analyze anything. Yeah, pretty good than Nifty, but then we cannot take a call on the basis of monthly chart because we still have 2 days left. So we are not going to have a closer look onto the monthly chart. Probably we'll see into small caps and mid caps later, just in a few moments. Okay, so let's move on to small cap first. So in small cap, we see a substantial breakout on the monthly chart. So the reason why I've started taking a call on monthly chart is that the few of the indexes on the Indian market is actually giving a breakout on the monthly chart itself. Now again, I know there are 2 days left for trading, and we need to take a call after that after those 2 days. Okay, so till then, but yeah, we are stronger. Okay, we are not just closing somewhere around low of monthly months, or we are also not challenging the previous high of the previous month chart. That's not the case. We are absolutely standing higher on this small cap index. So on weekly chart as well, again we are getting a good breakout. So this was a proven resistance of 16,700. So this has been breached. Okay, for next week, this is something really very important to sustain about this level. Okay, so 16,700, all eyes on it for next week. And if we see the daily chart, I personally feel nothing to worry here as well. So on daily chart, as you can see, if you have a closer look here, then we have a good I would say this is the cup pattern. Okay, this entire is the cup pattern, and then this entire small consolidation is nothing but a handle, and we got a breakout of it. Okay, so we are definitely going to get a retest somewhere around 16,650 or 16,650 level, but that is very normal. One can expect that at any time, at any moment. Okay, uh, things are normal in small cap index as well. When let's go to Nifty mid cap. So here on mid cap on daily chart, again we are around at all-time highs. Okay, if we go to weekly chart, so here is the case. We have done the retest, so let's make it on daily chart itself. So if we can correlate ourselves with the moves on the daily chart, so this was a support of 48,000 roughly. So from 48,000 we got a wonderful rally, a one-side rally, I would say. Okay, and the same has been can be seen in the weekly chart itself. So it was a breakout, retest, and then rally. Okay, and then we are likely to continue that rally for the next week itself. So nothing to worry. If not even the next, if not even if even if for the next week, if we get the consolidation, I don't think so that's going to last for a day or more than a 2 or 3 days down there the line. Okay, so even mid cap looks stronger, and of course monthly start, as we all know, mid caps and small caps are running very in line. So nothing wrong in the monthly chart of mid cap itself. So things and situation are normal in mid cap and small cap. Okay, so this is all about the weekly analysis. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, any feedback, do let me know. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.